Hi everybody, Peg here, and I am on day 4 of Art Journal Habit 2018. Today's prompt is feel, and I'm feeling pretty happy. I have this cute little image of, I don't know, is he a hedgehog? Something like that. And so I have a page that was the backer page behind the page that I did the other day with the feathers on it. And I'm just going to glue that image down because I want to color it. And in order to do that, this is on some deli paper. I just put it on some deli paper. I'm going to glue it down, and then I'm going to use some DecoArt media paint to paint my image. Sorry, my camera seems to want to zoom in and out when I don't want it to, so I'll get that. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Fixed here before long. And I'm just going to put a coat of gel medium over the top of that so that everything stays where I want it to. And I will begin to paint my image. Now, you could use markers, you could use just about anything that you wanted to here, but, you know, I got these wonderful paints, and I thought, DecoArt's paints are appropriate. So I'm going to dry that off, and I'm going to get my paints, and I'm going to paint it out. And, you know, basically that's all there is to it. Me using the paints, putting my quote on here, and finishing up my journal page for today. And we'll move on to tomorrow's here pretty soon. So thanks for joining me. Be sure and check out Shell C. Shell C's channel is also doing this along with me, and many others use the hashtag Art Journal Habit 2018 to find all of the journal pages that are being done and put out on social media. And if you haven't joined us over on Art Joy of Sharing, join us there, because it's a fun Facebook group and we do things like this challenge. So that's it from me, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now. you.